Okay, we've already worked on our presentation here in PowerPoint. We've got our template shows. We've done some transitions from one slide to the other. Next, maybe we want to add animation to one of our slides to give it a little bit of a appeal to our audience. So if there's a certain slide that you would like to add animation to, just click on the slide. The animation will change the way the text comes to that slide. So if I click on this text box and I click up here into animations, now if we don't have anything clicked, nothing's going to, everything will be grayed out. So go ahead and click on which text you want to have that animation. And let's just do just a fade in so we can preview. You see that fade in? Maybe we want to change it to a little bit longer. Let's go ahead and do 2.5 seconds. So let's try a preview now. So you get that little bit slower of a coming into your slide. It's a little bit too slow. Let's try 1.5 seconds. That preview. Yeah. So if you got something that you like, and if you go to your slideshow, we do that from the beginning. We got that transition there, and our transition to there. And here's that one slide. Of course, it doesn't have anything until you click, because you have to do on click. If you don't want to do anything with clicking on your mouse, just go ahead and hit that escape button. Let's go up here. We're going to choose that again, animation. And we don't want on click. We want to choose it after the previous and maybe give it a 50-second delay. So let's see what that looks like. I'll go a little bit slower. Try 1.5 seconds. Try 1 second. There we go. Then again, we can go to the slideshow. Back to from beginning. We click there. Transition to the other. We'll click this one, and then we'll just leave it, and it comes up automatically. We don't have to click again on our mouse or our pointer that we're using to scroll through all of our slides. A little bit less clicking, and automatically does it for you. You can always do things with the rest of those. So if we want to do maybe an animation here, we could do that one. And we could start this one after previous duration. Let's try that, try preview. Got the rules of traveling, don't be alert to surroundings. Let's try that with all of these. Go ahead and we'll just float in all of them. See over here, they've got the different orders that they will float in. So let's go ahead and try that for a preview. Rules of traveling. Again, if that's too fast, these come in, just go ahead and click on the text that you're working on. Maybe we'll make that a 2 second before we go into the next one. Let's try that. Again, we can preview this slide. Got the title. Oh yeah, there we go. It actually slows it down a little bit. I thought it would give it a delay. So I had it on the wrong one. Again, if you don't like something, you can always just go back and change it. That's after, so we don't want to delay this one. I think we will delay this one. So let's try that. We're going to delay the second and the third. Go Go by what it says there in that little box when you just hover over. Play it after a certain number of seconds. So try this preview. So we got the first one, our header there. Yeah. So with that delay, I made it slowed it down a lot. So if you like that, you can. That's how you choose different animations for your slides and how you incorporate them in your slides.